and auto rotate. Wow. Create an interactive 3D city builder game in a single HTML file with draggable buildings, roads that auto-connect, population and resource meters, and a daylight cycle. In, I haven't selected anything like. Let's try to run this code. So what is this? House? Okay, we can just build it. So I selected house, so I can build the house. So I can build, and I want to create a factory. Look at that. I want to create a, that is a park. Toggle weather. Look at that. It's raining. Okay. Traffic. That's the traffic. Okay. That's fine. That's our first example. That's a physics example. Create an interactive simulation of double slit experiment showing photon interface patterns. Include sliders for slit. Okay, this is completed and that's still something is happening. Let's run a demo on this one. Interactive 1 by 1 photon is here. That slit separation. That one was not working. That is awesome. That was working as I expected. We can reset. Reset is not working. It's in instant. It shows how much it emits. That was a. And let's go to our next example. Let's see. This one is not working. Let's go for our next prompt. Create a 5-page children's storybook about a time-traveling panda with matching illustrated images in the same art style and character design. It has to write the story, draw the art, and packages it to a. Look at that. Your storybook PDF is ready. Let's download this one. Time traveling panda. One day, panda found a magical pocket watch. One day, panda found a magical pocket watch. Suddenly, he was in the land of the dinosaurs. Next day, night, in shining armor, rode by panda, marveled at the sight. Soon, panda returned home to the present. That's the panda story. Okay, you can see it came to the styles. Okay, let's go to our next example. I'm just playing around with what is its performance level. I asked it to create a web page that generates a short ambient music loop in browser using Tone.js and synchronizes it with the let's run the code. Wow. Um, doing randomize, doing mute, it works. Unmute, it works. It stops. It's nice. Look at that visuals from WebGL, Fractal, Audio Tone.js. That is nice. That works. The music plus prompts in parallel. Next example here. Prompt is a 29-year-old runner as recurring Shin splints. Research evidence-based rehab protocols and create a 4-week progressive recovery plan with graphs for intensity versus time plus preventing largest battery recycling in North America. Okay, that is now interactive beta. Look at that. Let's see, switch to interactive charts. Look. Okay, the charts are interactive now. And it's in beta where you can actually click on the charts which is generating. Data set. Okay. We can, that's fine. And we can maximize it. And now this is the second one. The first one is target RP 10 to 100 by sessions over the next 4 weeks. And this one will be return to running minutes per session. So sessions over 4 weeks gives like 30 minutes and rest and then 40 minutes and then go down to 35 minutes and then go 45, go down to 40 and then increase it. And look at the images for the 4 weeks evidence-based plan for recurring shin splint. 3 run sessions per week. That is nice. Week 1, calm the bone, keep fitness, extend run, monthly continuity, preventive strength circuits. That is tibia's posterior band inversion, optional adjuncts, arch support, shockwave therapy, when to seek further eval. Okay, that is really good. I like it. So that is a full medical recovery plan. Graphs included and see the next example. Here is an hand-drawn UI sketch. Okay, I'm going to upload a hand-drawn picture. I just drew this on a piece of paper. Convert this into a fully functional responsive HTML, CSS, JavaScript page with the same layout, color schemes, and placeholder instruction. Choose any color scheme. It is even identifying the HIC file. That file format extension. Identify it. This is what it comes up with. Turned my sketch into a single response on the code. Okay, it didn't took the idea of the used the layout generally and then it created. It's not exactly the same. Projects, UI, okay. Let me give it one more shot, but this time I'm going to paste that image. That's what I got. And now choose any professional color schemes and convert it into HTML. So now it sees as a text content in it. It actually picked the test. I can see it just used Mr. Wind, but I should have put a length here for the underscore. I just put a dot, so it just picked it as dot. Did that. And our image is like this. Hello selector. Wow, good. That is, look at that. Toggle T. Hmm. It build. That is really nice. I like it. And let's do it greenish and wobble, auto rotate. Okay, you can take. That is not working. We can have this shape selected here. This one's. So that's GPT, but it's smarter and better than GPT-4. Drop your wildest prompts, ideas in the comments. I'll push it even for the next time. It got its flaws, it got its better moments, but I like to play with these kind of new things, and it can run parallelly as well. So that's GPT-5. I'll see. Please do subscribe, share, and watch.